Mount Sinai English Higher Secondary School Silver Jubilee Men Pen Inter School Football Championship ke paman pon. Mount Sinai English Higher Secondary School laki denarong hawar pen ke mesen ang theke ban ponbera school bangso school long pen sike damtang ingdeng ke basat lang ang theke paklang huchitami karbiang long ang kang pi pen ke cheng siang deng kachi palong pona school bangso school long Charlie pen nangana to munit nang man ponlu lason si bangso school pening an ningkaning koira pho arta ke chok mate Silver Jubilee an nang plingsi pai ni phaing koira player ni ada por phai ke ba por malom pen Mount Sinai English Higher Secondary School Silver Jubilee alama principal Sudhir Tiga lapen SMC President Diben Suren pen pangjar ponsi under 17 lapen 13 suatu fan Inter School Football Championship padu ponsi pathu pangching pong bangso ke chingser ni Mount Sinai English Higher Secondary School lapen Dengaon Higher Secondary School angbong pathu ponsi Dengaon Higher Secondary School atum chipahai pong bangso long manpeng alohi kasa Organization Secretary Borsing Kro Tourism Board Chairman Anparta DSA President Dharam Singh Kro Secretary Dharam Singh Ingti denarong KCS Juname pusar theterang lapen luthan bang pubang petum chetong dunsi ardi pidon denarong pen probhat rong pharnang kilo birta Malong News.
Good morning to everyone. Today, the 24th of August, we have inaugurated our school Mount Sinai Higher Secondary School's Silver Jubilee program by lighting the lamp, paying homage, and by hosting the Jubilee flag. And some days ago, there was a meeting, and in that meeting, the Jubilee committee has decided or taken the resolution to have year-long activities. And today, with the grand inauguration, and after declaring the Jubilee year, we are going forward to conduct the first activity, that is inter-school football championship in two different categories, under 17 and under 13 of this Dengaon area. This will be followed by quiz competition, that also will be inter-school quiz competition the next month, and after 2 months we are going to organize science exhibition and art competition also for the schools or for the school students of our Dengaon area. And by the end of this year, there will be grand celebration where there will be alumni meet, there will be parents guardians meet, and lastly there will be a conclusion ceremony. And this way we have planned to celebrate our school's Silver Jubilee program. Thank you.
Litum kalang bom lake Malong News 24/7 hampang aparman klar da kabirta.